Have you ever noticed how making caramel slice takes a little bit of patience, but the payoff is totally worth it? Yum. You've got to melt the butter and mix all the ingredients and then layer it just right. And then you've got to wait for it to set. Funny thing is, planning for your retirement is a lot like that. Hi, I'm Megan, an education specialist at Australian Retirement Trust. When you stop working, your income doesn't have to just stop, it just changes the way that it's served. You can take a lump sum of super like cutting one big gooey slab of caramel sliced to enjoy all at once. Or you can set up an income account, small, regular servings, one square at a time, to make the sweetness last longer. And if you mix your super with the age pension, it's like balancing all of the flavours, the chocolate, the caramel and the biscuit base, and a cup of coffee that keeps things satisfying. And it's not just about money. It's about taking the time to enjoy the simple things, like a cup of coffee and a sweet treat. Isn't that right, Artie?